Hello, welcome to Math with Mr. Dobrescu, to the rescue. Let's continue today with end of the year assessment review, question 26. This is our last question in our series of questions of end of the year review, Math 7-8. And let's take a look at this problem here. A rectangular window 5 feet by 2 feet. A rectangular window 5 feet by 2 feet is on a rectangular wall 9 feet by 8 feet. Is placed on a rectangular wall 9 feet by 8 feet. Okay? The rest of the wall needs to be painted. Approximately how many square feet of wall needs to be painted? So all of this needs to be painted. All of this needs to be painted except the window. So everything here needs to be painted. Okay? What would be a good strategy for us to use to find the answer? Okay? So first of all, we need to find the area of the entire wall. That makes more sense. Once we find the area of the entire wall, we are going to subtract the area of the window, right? We got to take the window out of there, right? Because we do not need that. We only need to paint this wall except the window. So we take the window out, or widget. We have to subtract the area of this rectangular window. Then that's it. We are going to get the answer. Okay, so first of all, let's find the area of the big rectangle, right? So let's see here. So area of the big rectangle equals, remember the area is length times width, and the length is 18. 18 times the width is 9. 18 times 9. And let's use a calculator quickly here. 18 times 9. 18 times 9, we get 162. So here we get 162, and don't forget feet square, right? Feet square, that's the area of the big wall. And now let's take a look at the area of the small rectangle, and that's going to be the window. The same thing. Length times width. Length is 5, width is 2. 5 times 2, and that becomes 10 feet squared. Okay? So that one is 162 feet, the entire wall, and the other one is 10 feet squared. And remember what I said. We have to subtract now the area of the entire wall minus the area of the window. Okay, so we are going to subtract those two numbers. So total area, so actually we are looking for how many square feet the wall needs to be painted. Okay, the area of the shaded region. So area shaded region, area of the shaded region, right? Whatever we need to paint equals 162. Right, 162 minus 10 feet square, right? And if we subtract 162 minus 10, we get 152. Because 152 plus 10 becomes 162. So here we get 152 feet square. I totally apologize. We don't have much room there. But now let's take a look at the answers. So the answer is 152, it's C. C gives us 152 feet square. Okay? Again, please remember, if we have a type of problem like that, this is a very common problem in geometry, where they give us a larger shape, and then they give us another shape inside that shape, and then to find the shaded region, except that window, we have to subtract the area of the window from the area of the entire wall to just find the area, in this case, that needs to be painted. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share all these videos. Video 1 through video 26, make sure you watch it. Watch it again and again and share it with your friends over the summer. And please stay tuned for another problem. But that's it. This ended question 26, but I'm going to post more problems for you to practice and get proficient in mathematics. Thank you all so much for watching, and please stay tuned for our next video. All the best to you.